Good morning. It's Friday, January 19th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Still showing those light showers down in coastal Georgia from St. Simons to St. Mary's, and they continue to track off toward the east. And checking out the infrared satellite imagery, if you ever need a quick guide as to what's South Georgia, Middle Georgia, North Georgia, well, you can kind of use our satellite imagery this morning because there's a lot of debate over where those boundaries are. But you can see clouds in South Georgia, the mid-state with clear skies, and then clouds moving over North Georgia, fairly thick clouds over the North Georgia mountains this morning. So just kind of found this interesting that we have pretty much all three parts of the state separated by either clouds or clear skies. And also looking at a big difference in our temperatures around the state with those low 50s in South Georgia. We see that cooler air beginning to move into North Georgia with 36 degrees in Canton, 39 Atlanta, Rome's at 37. But again, down in southwest Georgia showing those low 50s and mid to upper 40s. So that's a sign that we do have that frontal boundary continuing to push through. So when we get started mild like this, parts of South Georgia, just know that that colder air is on the way. As we take a look at our watches and hazards and advisories, mainly South Georgia, we're going to have freezing conditions overnight tonight, but in the purple, we're looking at that hard freeze warning. We also have a hard freeze watch in the white area. That takes you over to Tifton and down toward Valdosta, and then coastal Georgia and over the Okefenokee with the hard freeze warning in effect tonight. So, again, it's not just going to be freezing in South Georgia, but South Georgia gets a little additional warning information just because they don't see as cold weather like this. And so we do have those freeze warnings in effect. So let's take a look at our modeling through the morning hours. We see those showers continue to track off over the ocean. Wind picking up in North Georgia over the next couple of hours and then starting to move through the rest of the state by this afternoon. So we'll be breezy today, but the sun will be out, and this will be our nicest day as we head toward the weekend. So don't get used to it. The nice warm temperatures down in the southern part of the state will be melting away, and North Georgia will just get colder through the day today and overnight tonight. That breeze also a big factor. We do have wind chill advisories in effect for parts of North Georgia. We could see wind chill values down around -10. Yes, going to feel like 10 below zero in parts of the North Georgia mountains overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. As we continue through tomorrow afternoon, still breezy through the day, but we'll see mostly sunny skies. Our wind will start to calm down as we get started Sunday morning. Should be a pretty nice day Sunday afternoon. Still a little chilly, but at least not as breezy. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.